Hey everyone, welcome back to day 2 of our daily vocab dose. Yesterday we kicked things off and today we are stepping it up. In this session we are going to explore new words, break down their meanings, and see how to actually use them in real life. Grab your notebook, stay sharp, and let's make your vocab stronger than ever. Let's jump right in. Let's start strong with our first word, pejorative. Pejorative means showing disapproval or contempt. Think of words that put someone down, that's pejorative. Synonyms, derogatory, disparaging, belittling. Antonyms, complimentary, approving, respectful. Example, the teacher warned the class not to use pejorative language during the discussion. Keep this word ready in your mind. It's a power word for both exams and real-life communication. Now let's roll into the next one. Alright, our next word for today is encumber. Encumber means to restrict or burden someone or something so that movement or progress becomes difficult. Synonyms, burden, obstruct, hamper. Antonyms, assist, aid, facilitate. Example, heavy regulations can encumber small businesses from growing. Remember this word, it's useful in essays, reports, and formal speech. Let's move on to the next one. Our next word for today is subservience. Subservience means the willingness to obey others unquestioningly or a condition of being less important. Synonyms, obedience, compliance, servility. Antonyms, defiance, independence, dominance. Example, blind subservience to authority can stop people from thinking critically. Lock this word into your memory, it appears in articles, essays, and debates. Let's keep the momentum going. Our next word is flippant. Flippant means not showing a serious or respectful attitude. Synonyms, facetious, dismissive, cheeky. Antonyms, serious, respectful, solemn. Example, the student's flippant remark annoyed the teacher. Lock this one in, it's common in articles, criticism, and daily conversation. Our next word is contemplate. Contemplate means to consider something seriously or think deeply about it. Synonyms, reflect, ponder, consider. Antonyms, ignore, disregard, overlook. Example, she sat by the river to contemplate her future plans. This word fits perfectly in essays, reflections, and formal writing. Our next word is synchronous. Synchronous means occurring at the same time or at the same rate. Synonyms, simultaneous, coordinated. Antonyms, uncoordinated, irregular. Example, the dancers moved in perfectly synchronous steps. It's a solid word for science, tech, and everyday contexts. Our next word is venting. Venting means expressing strong emotions or complaints forcefully. Synonyms, releasing, expressing, unloading. Antonyms, bottling up, repressing. Example, after a stressful day, he was venting to his friend about work. This word pops up often in conversations, articles, and self-help contexts. Okay, guys, another word is surfeit. Ever felt like there's just way too much of something? That's surfeit. It's basically the opposite of scarcity. Synonyms, excess, glut, oversupply. Antonyms, scarcity, shortage, dearth. Example, right now there's a surfeit of ads online, it's everywhere. Remember it like this, surfeit is equal to surplus plus overfit. Too much. Let's break down a new word, spurious. Ever come across something that looks real but isn't? That's spurious. It means not being what it claims to be, basically false or fake. Synonyms: bogus, counterfeit, deceptive. Antonyms: genuine, authentic, valid. Example: the company was fined for selling spurious medicines. Easy hook to remember: spurious is equal to suspicious plus fake. Let's pick up another strong word: fulgent. Think of something shining bright, radiant, dazzling, that's fulgent. Synonyms: luminous, brilliant, radiant. Antonyms: dull, dim, gloomy. Example: the fulgent stars lit up the night sky. Quick hook: fulgent is equal to full of glow.